Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying versions and network basics. Make sure the server and your client run compatible Minecraft and Java builds, because mismatches cause handshake failures. Once done, inspect your firewall and router settings for port 25565 and allow Java or the Minecraft executable. This enables the TCP handshake. Restart the PC, game, and router to clear stale NAT mappings. Then attempt a direct IP connection, so you isolate DNS or DNS cache issues before moving to deeper diagnostics. Next, assign a static LAN IP to the server and create a port forward for 25565. Without a consistent internal, address the rule breaks and connections reset. Make sure UPnP isn't conflicting with manual forwards, and confirm your ISP doesn't block inbound game ports by testing with a mobile hotspot. Inspect server properties for misconfigured server IP or online mode settings, and ensure max players isn't set too low. If using plugins or bungee cord, temporarily disable them to rule out proxy misrouting. To finish, reproduce the reset while capturing packets with Wireshark or using TCPing so you can see whether the server, client, or ISP sent the RSD. That diagnosis tells you the fix path. Try a vanilla server and a fresh client profile on a different network to separate server-side from client-side faults. If issues persist, tweak Java arguments and garbage collection settings, update network adapter drivers and router firmware. And as a troubleshooting tip, if you still get resets, temporarily run the server on a cloud host to confirm local network causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.